hopeless. There is so much hopelessness in my soul. Sengiphenduka isifo uqobo lwaso bathi zibanjwa kweze udlayo bekiyange ithambo lami, my beauty shaded with stigma within a minute. No one else remembers any good I've been. All they can speak of is ugly, hyperpigmented, pruritic papules on my face, upper trunk and arms. Community, friends and families counting days of my life before my eyes. So hopeless. Immune system, my soldiers failing to stand against any thieves that robs me of normal health. Even my doctors, hopeless. There is so much hopelessness in my soul.
Ulcerative nodular skin lesions, papules, macules, purple plaques and patches, infiltrated liver, the patient is jaundiced, cardiovascular pumping, significant toxins. With so much passion, I examined, prescribed, re-examined, prescribed. Sleepless nights pondering over the next drug doses. There's so much hopelessness in my soul. CD4 counts no longer countless. I'm counting 200. Now it's only 4 counts, counting down each breath and each blessing. With no ground to stand on, my tears fall down. Hold on, I'm a doctor. I have to be strong. Strong enough to keep a straight face, sing, chin up, and recite the sad, inevitable poetry of medicine. We did everything we could possibly do to save your father's life. He died. I'm so sorry.
So much hopelessness in my soul. The persistent song of hope in my heart silenced by the phrase that was supposed to bring closure to my bleeding soul. Sorry. Your sorry will not bring back my father. It will not mend the bond made by 1,000 years of smile, laughter, and unconditional love that has now vanished in your hands. Make me comprehend. I had so much hope in you, and all you have for me is a sorry. Your sorry has wiped off all the colorful memories, and all I'm left with now is a thin, lifeless body of a man, face unrecognizable, body filled with Kaposi sarcoma and cryptococcus, thin oral candidiasis and bacillary angiomatosis lesions all over. Doctor, you should have tried harder. Being fatherless feels as though my bones have been crushed into 1,000 pieces, piercing through my fatherless flesh. He was a fighter, he fought. Behind those souls, he was a father, and for me, he opened doors. Yet today, he is counted as a statistic among the thousands of others who died in the merciless hands of this disease, leaving fatherless homes, our hopes are deceased.
Yesterday's hopelessness is history. Tomorrow's happiness is no longer a mystery. It is evident. As long as we stand fast in this treatment. The treatment that revived the hopeless CD4 count, now we can even count up to more than 500. Even though we lost more than 500,000 of lives, this hope will save millions of lives.
Now we can dream again.
Now we can hope again.
Now we can smile again.
In this era of antiretroviral drugs,